Yep.
All right, so we're taking out this shingle. Obviously, it's wind damage right here. I'm just trying to figure out where the shingle begins and where the shingle ends. And I want to note that on these shingles, there's mat transfer right here on the bottom end. This will stop it from sealing up again. Mat transfer, you see the granules and the matting? That's mat transfer. It'll stop it from sealing again. All the way over, consistent. That's something to note. Once again, mat transfer. And you see the granules. You see the granules. See the granules. You can pause it.